So you pick up your remote, you choose your favorite language, and then you press OK to proceed. Then you come to this page, come to the satellite page. For the first time it will be like this, it will be on this. So if you are in these listed countries over here, you are living in Botswana, Malawi, Mozambique, Namibia, South Africa, Swaziland, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. And then you choose this satellite and you press OK on the remote to proceed. You come down to manual setup, you use the arrow up and down, move it to manual setup, and then you press OK. And then whenever you come here, the LMB type over here, most of the time it will be like this. So you need to change the LMB, use the arrow left and right to change the LMB to universal. Then you come down to scan. So if you are not living in that listed countries, you need to change your satellite name to E36B, and then you proceed with the same process. You come down to manual setup, you press OK, you change your LMB, it will be like this. So you change your LMB to universal, change it to universal, you come down to scan, and then you press OK to scan. So thanks for watching.